Welcome back. Today, we'll use AI to create winning business proposals. Most proposals fail because they don't solve the client's real problem. Today, Claude and Gamma will do most of the heavy lifting. Let's build a client-ready proposal in less than 10 minutes.
Welcome to this explainer. I am so thrilled you're here. Listen, I'm going to be your mentor today, and we're going to tackle one of the absolute biggest hurdles for any freelancer or service provider. We are going to break down, step by step, how to draft and design a highly persuasive, completely professional business proposal in under 10 minutes. So if you've never written a proposal before, or if the ones you're sending are just getting ignored, you are in exactly the right place. Let's get into it. Here is our quick game plan for today. We're going to cover why proposals fail, the 5 winning components you need, drafting with Claude AI, designing with Gamma, and finally, avoiding those common pitfalls. Look, let's be totally honest here. Asking for money, it can feel incredibly intimidating. Have you ever just stared at a blinking cursor, totally paralyzed, trying to figure out how you articulate what you do and what it costs? You know, most beginners either avoid sending proposals altogether, or they just rush it and send out something super weak. Well, we are going to cure that blank page anxiety right now. Okay, section 1, why proposals fail. Let's make sure you avoid instant rejection. The difference between a yes and a no is actually pretty striking. See, beginners often send these vague, massive walls of text with zero clear problem statement. And what happens? The client just doesn't feel understood. High-value clients, on the other hand, expect a structured document that clearly mirrors their exact problem, outlines really clear pricing, and most importantly, arrives quickly, not 3 days after your initial chat. Moving right along to section 2, the 5 winning components. This is the universal skeleton you need for every single pitch. I want you to memorize this 5-step sequence. It's an unshakable foundation that works for freelance services, digital agencies, consulting, you name it. It flows so logically. First, the big picture, executive summary. Second, you validate their specific pain point. Third, exactly how you're going to fix it. Fourth, the clear investment and timeline. And finally, the exact next step they need to take. Every prompt you feed into an AI tool should be designed to spit out these 5 exact sections in this exact order. Which brings us perfectly to section 3, drafting fast with Claude AI, where we let the tech do the heavy lifting. So, we highly recommend using Claude AI for this drafting phase. But here's the secret. Getting an incredible draft isn't just typing, "Hey, write me a proposal." It's all about context. By using specific metric placeholders in brackets right inside your Claude prompt, things like your exact service, key client details, your budget range, and project length, you are giving the AI the exact boundaries it needs to generate a highly tailored, professional draft. Let me give you a real-world example of why being specific is a total game changer. If you just type "a business," Claude gives you generic fluff. But if you type "a logistics company in Lagos with 12 staff," Claude suddenly knows exactly what tone and context to use. Just ask Kemi. She's a freelance accountant who used this exact specific data strategy to win a bookkeeping contract worth up to 250,000 Naira a month. She won it simply because her proposal felt custom-built for that one specific client. Now, quick warning here. AI is amazing, it gives you the scaffolding, but you absolutely must personalize it. Please do not just copy and paste blind. Swap in real examples of your past work, drop in your actual agreed-upon pricing structure, read it out loud to inject your own authentic tone. You want to sound like a confident human professional, not a generic robot. You bring the credibility, the AI just brings the speed. All right, section 4, designing decks with Gamma. Let's turn that text into a presentation-ready masterpiece. Okay, plain text is fine, but a modern, designed presentation is what truly wins over high-value clients. To get that design, we use an incredible tool called Gamma. But first, you'll run a secondary prompt in Claude to compress your initial full text draft into a punchy slide outline. You literally tell Claude to format it specifically for Gamma, limiting it to 3 bullet points per slide and adding key metrics. This ensures your final deck doesn't just look like a cramped Word document copy-pasted onto a slide. So here is your exact Gamma workflow, and it is unbelievably fast. Minute 1, you copy your formatted Claude output. By minute 3, you're pasting it right into Gamma's text option, and Gamma automatically detects all your headings. By minute 5, you pick a clean, modern B2B theme, stay away from anything overly playful here, keep it executive, and boom, By minute 10, Gamma has auto-designed your layouts, your icons, and your visual hierarchy. It's like magic. And if you're doubting this timeline, let me tell you about James. He's a virtual assistant out of Birmingham offering admin support. James uses this exact Claude to Gamma workflow every single week to onboard his new e-commerce clients. By stacking these tools, he literally slashed his proposal writing time from over a grueling hour down to under 10 minutes per client. That is the true definition of efficiency. Finally, Section 5, avoiding pitfalls and sending. Let's get you ready to hit send with absolute confidence. Right before you hit send, it's vital to clearly understand your tool stack. This table breaks it all down. You've got Claude AI, which is unmatched for writing that beautifully structured initial draft. ChatGPT is awesome if you just need some quick alternative rewrites for a specific paragraph. Gamma is your absolute go-to for designing those clean, presentation-ready decks for free. And hey, if you're pitching a massive, high-value client and need a really premium animated presentation, jumping up to a tool like VideoExpress is your next logical step. 10 minutes. That is your ultimate goal here. Drafting the text, formatting the slide outline, auto-designing the deck, and exporting it as a slick PDF should literally take you less time than it takes to drink your morning coffee. But to pull this off, you absolutely have to avoid a few beginner pitfalls. Never, ever send raw, unedited AI output. Clients can always tell, I promise you. Make sure you aren't using vague, fluffy language. And this is a big one. Do not bury your pricing table. Beginners often hide their pricing at the very bottom in tiny text because they're nervous. But listen to me, hidden pricing just makes your clients nervous. Put it in a clear, upfront, simple table. Another massive pitfall is just kind of forgetting how to end the document. Never leave the client guessing about what they're supposed to do next. You have to finish your proposal with a definitive call to action, or CTA. It must be one single, painfully obvious next step. Give them clear instructions like reply to confirm to get started, or drop in a link saying book a 15-minute onboarding call. I want to deeply emphasize this truth before we wrap up. Speed is your ultimate advantage. A really good professional proposal sent in a few hours fundamentally beats a perfect proposal that takes you 3 days to obsess over. Sending your pitch the very same day gives you a massive competitive edge, simply because it arrives while the client is still fired up and actively thinking about the conversation you just had. Well, I really hope this mentor session empowers you to open up these tools immediately. You now have the exact 5-part structure, the seamless workflow with Claude and Gamma, and you know exactly what rookie pitfalls to avoid. The days of dreading sending proposals are officially over. So the only question left to answer is, with this new 10-minute superpower in your back pocket, what incredible service are you going to pitch first today?
Today you learned how AI creates professional proposals in minutes. Create a proposal for your service and share it with the community. Tomorrow we'll use AI to create powerful marketing campaigns. Subscribe, join our community, and I'll see you on day 19.